KVCore is a comprehensive CRM platform designed for real estate professionals to streamline lead management, marketing, and client engagement. Here's a brief guide on how to effectively use it. Login and dashboard overview. Start by logging into KVCore, where you will see your dashboard. The dashboard provides a snapshot of your recent leads, tasks, and engagement metrics, so you can quickly assess priorities. Lead management. KVCore enables you to manage leads by automatically capturing, sorting, and organizing them. New leads from websites, ads, or other sources are added to your CRM and assigned to specific pipelines. KVCore also categorizes leads based on their behavior and engagement, allowing you to prioritize follow-ups. Automated follow-ups. Use KVCore's Smart CRM feature to automate email and text message follow-ups. You can set up personalized drip campaigns and automated responses for different lead types to nurture leads over time. Marketing tools. KVCore provides IDX-enabled websites and landing pages to capture leads. You can also create customized property listings and advertisements and integrate them with social media platforms. The platform's smart campaigns help you schedule and automate targeted marketing. Task management. KVCore's Task Manager lets you set reminders and tasks related to leads, such as call follow-ups and appointments, so nothing falls through the cracks.